Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy step on how you can check the RAM of your laptop or your desktop. So firstly, go to your Windows option. Then in Windows option, you come to all and you click on settings. You just have to scroll up to settings. Then right up here on settings, you go to system. Then on system here, you scroll up till you see about. So on this place you're going to be finding your amount of RAM. So as you can see now, I have 8 gig of RAM running on my desktop. So that's just how you can easily do this, guys. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.